फाटल्या कांय दिसांनी गोंयच्या वेगवेगळ्या सुवातींनी जाल्ल्या अपघातात खुबशा लोकांनी आपलो जीव वगडायलो जाल्यार चडशा अपघातात तरणाट्यांक मरण आयिल्ल्याचे पुलिशेंत नोंद जाला. देखून काँग्रेस आमदार कार्लोस फेरेरा हाणें भाजप सरकाराचेर उतरांचो फार पेटयला. पळया पुराय बातमी.
डेली 3-4 एक्सिडेंट कोण मोत्ता. इट्स नॉट ओनली दिस ब्रिज. काल पासून पळयला दॅट इज इन दाबोली somebody was crushed, somebody in Bamboli was hit, somebody in Ponda was hit. What is going on? Every day we can't keep shouting on the road. I think we will have to move forward. If the government is not serious, I will tell you this. I will myself go to the court and I will ask for relief that the government should awaken and do something with urgency, not sleep and just issue instructions, advisories, but action on the ground.
मांडवी पुलार जाल्ल्या रेंट अ कार आनी दुचाकी मदीं एकल्या तरणाट्याक आपलो जीव वगडोवचो पडलो. देखून रेंट अ कारीक स्पीड गव्हर्नर कित्याक बसयनात? सरकाराच्या संबंधीत खाते आनी यंत्रणाचे कसले सेटिंग सुरू आसा काय कितें? फकत तालाव दिवच्या परस सरकारान वाडट्या अपघाताचेर नियंत्रण हाडिना जाल्यार सरकाराच्या विरोधात कोर्टान वचपाची शिटकावणी काँग्रेस आमदार कार्लोस फेरेरा हाणें दिली.
मुझे कितें सांगपाचें एक्सिडेंट दॅट हांव सद्दां एसेंब्लीन पासून खूब जाणां हांव उलयलां सांगपाक दॅट दीस टुरिस्ट आर ड्रायवींग वेरी वेरी बॅड. आय थिंक दे हॅज टू बी ए कंट्रोल. सेकंड थिंग, रेंट अ कार आमी पळयला फकत आतां रस्त्यार एक्सिडेंट करून ते शेतान चलयतात, बिचेर चलयतात, नागतिंगा दोऱ्यान पासून वयतात ते. सो हांव नेना केसो ड्रायवींग शिकल्यात ते. So I think there has to be very strict controls about the driving. For me, I believe, first thing is, I'm going to fault the government on this, and I have this strong statement to make. There are speed governors to be put for these rent-a-car vehicles. Why are they not putting the speed governors? What fixing is going on with the department or with the authorities? I want to know this. Why the speed governors? I want all these vehicles to be checked on the road today, and you make sure that each vehicle which does not have speed governor should be impounded, and until that speed governor is put, the vehicle should not be released. Simply fining is not enough. Secondly, we have to have a foolproof mechanism to make sure that the one to whom the vehicle is given should be driving responsibly. Do you tell them the rules? Do you tell them how Goa is not fully safe to drive recklessly? Because the way that they drive, there are आमगे पोन्ने रस्ते, सायड रस्ते आसात. There are many side roads. So when there are side roads, लोक भायर येतात थिंगा. So they don't know about these hidden dangers which they have to face. So if you don't know, like when we go to an outside place, we drive cautiously. Who is responsible? The owner of this rent-a-car. So I don't agree that they should be let off. They should be kept here and they should be arrested. Now this man who has created, first thing is he was overtaking. There's no overtaking allowed on this bridge. Apparently at the impact tek udopak bayar, that means for this boy to fall out of his bike into the river, the impact has to be big. It is not a small impact. It's not a slow impact. That means this man was rent-a-car was driving very fast. Therefore I feel it's a case for 304 part 2 guaranteed. It can't be 304A. Because now the body has not been recovered till now. So I assume, I hope against hope, I hope he has survived, but it looks like it's very bleak chance. But if he has caused death, this driver must be booked under 304 part 2.